There they come. Dun, ta-da-ta-dun. Ta-da-ta-dun. Hello, Frugal friends! So you may have noticed we took yesterday off. That is because I was in bed the entire day. A few moments here and there where I came up to remind the family that I was alive, but I was in bed all day and dizzy, and my whole body hurt and just weak. I'm still a teeny bit dizzy today, not so much. Not feeling weak. My body still hurts, but it's not too bad. So I don't know if I got a 24-hour kind of little bug, or if it was just being so absolutely worn out, physically, mentally, emotionally, just pooped, just absolutely burnt out, completely burnt out, and my body forcing me to just rest. I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I did yesterday. I absolutely rested. So today I'm trying to just take it easy. I have a whole list of things that I want to do, but Olivia, stop tapping, please. But I don't think a lot of those things are going to happen because I'm trying to just listen to my body and be smart, be wise, and not be crazy. And most importantly, spending some time with the kids. We stopped at the bank and dropped off some very generous donations from some of you, our fabulous Frugal friends. Thank you so much for your support of our channel, not just financially, but also emotionally, just watching our videos, the sweet comments, all that stuff. We still have not gotten our remonetization. As far as I'm sure you've noticed there are no ads on our channel. That's not on purpose. We did reach all the goals and minimum requirements, but YouTube says there is a backlog right now of getting remonetized, people that, had to reach the new requirements. And so hopefully by the end of this month, which is April, we will be remonetized. So I cannot even tell you how much those generous gifts have meant to us in, keeping our mission of saving and salvaging going. It means a lot. We sure appreciate it. We are putting it towards good things. We did pay for the P.O. box. I'm so excited, and we are looking forward to collecting the postcards and magnets and spoons that you guys decide to share with us. All of those will be shared on a monthly live, well, maybe live, maybe just recorded mail video, and the kids will be putting them up. Once we've filled the magnet board, we will then use the side of the refrigerator. It's going to be awesome. I did think, though, as I was, laying in bed for hours and hours, it would also be cool to get keychains, because I do collect keychains.
And I love keychains on my purse. I have 2 keychains, one from Las Vegas and one from New York, and I really would like more keychains to hang on.
It's kind of like blingy, it's like fun embellishment, having all these jangly, awesome keychains. And I'm excited to see what creative ones you guys pick out to share with us and the rest of our viewers on these videos. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a fun collection. So we did pay for the P.O. box and have reserved it. Unfortunately, the one where we got it at, which is not in our hometown, but a little ways away for, obvious safety reasons and privacy reasons, that particular post office branch is not open on Saturday. How frustrating is that? We went ahead and paid for it, reserved it, and it's not open. So after class on Monday, I am going to stop and get the keys and the box number. So stay tuned Monday. I think I might even do that live, letting you know what the new address is. And then I'm thinking, since we are only going to be able to check the P.O. box once every 2 weeks probably, we'll want you guys to let us know ahead of time when you've shipped something, so that we can be sure and go and look. right? Because I don't want to be missing out on any fabulous things that you've been generous enough to send to us. So anyway, that's coming in time. Stay tuned for that on Monday. We also got to go and play in a fire truck. Olivia got to try on a fireman's coat. Our neighbor, one of our dear neighbors, he is a fireman, and they were doing a raffle thing at a local Walmart, and so we got to go and get some raffle tickets and supporting a local youth program, and we got to play inside the fire truck. It's really awesome. The kids are inside a fire truck.
There's big flashlights.
Let me see if I can do this without falling over myself.
And there's
Big, huge flashlights.
And there's big car seats.
Car seats.
Those are for.
Well, I don't think they're like car seats like your car seat.
They're so like if there's an emergency.
There's even lights inside. Why would you want flashy lights inside?
In case it's dark and you want to read.
With a red flashy light? I don't think so.
No, Mom.
So our neighbor is one of the firemen, and he said we could come and look around inside. So we are, and it's awesome.
Yeah, look up there. That's the front.
That is the front.
Everything's down low.
Well, sit on one of the seats.
Really?
They look like jump seats is what they look like. Yeah, go ahead, sit
You
down.
said we couldn't touch anything.
Well, it's your butt. Okay, look at me.
And our back.
Mimi, Reggie. Olivia's all posed and ready. What's wrong with these guys? No, Mimi, I won't be able to get you in the picture. Go over there. Reagan, dork. Okay, look at Mommy. Gotcha. Awesome.
Mom, there's some
Perfect start to our day of adventures. Well, that's if they get dehydrated.
Yeah, the same type.
That's awesome. Let's go take some pictures outside of it.
They have a little heating and cooling.
Oh, cool. So they're doing raffle tickets for a, what was it, Olivia? For like a pig and cow program
Here's a
that kids are involved in. Anyway, so we're gonna get some raffle tickets. Okay, stand right over here. Oh, and look, Mimi, get out of the road. And look, the whole ladder thing is all the way up there. We don't get to go up there, but that's awesome. Okay, come over here and stand by all these thingies. The gadgets, yeah, stand by the gadgets. Look at Mommy. Ready? Happy faces. Glad we're not on fire. Reagan, stop making weird faces. Happy faces. Reagan. Reagan. Mimi, put your hands down. Don't you guys know how to just take a normal picture? Reagan, put your tongue away.
That's what I'm doing.
Wow, that's awesome. Don't you wish you could climb up that?
Scary.
Well, yeah, but that would be awesome. Lulu's trying on one of the coats. Awesome! She looks cool. She's ready to climb up the ladder.
How are you?
That ladder. You look awesome, Lou. Very cool. See, Olivia's cool.
Olivia's a birdie.
All right, better get it back or they're gonna make you go to work. We made it. We are to Bricks and Minifigs. It's a buy-sell trade Lego store in Orem, Utah. Super awesome. We love it. We're excited to be here again. See what we can find. What treasures of the Lego persuasion are waiting for us. Piece that you wanted to get this time.
Yeah, but I trained my mom. A skirt. Perfect.
Okay, but Reagan, you said that was what you were looking for this time.
For long pants this time.
So we're going to build characters again.
See, Mommy, this is what I was talking about. Look at this.
Lulu.
Girl pants.
Look at this.
Ooh. Looking for girl pants.
That's way pretty. There's
There's
another one.
How about you actually get a weapon this time? I want this one.
Okay, so let's show them this. So Olivia found a princessy skirt, so we need to find,
Like Disney princess. You mean, how about you actually get a weapon?
we need to find it, a torso. Oh, Reagan, get that one. That one's
A
awesome.
hairbrush. Wait,
Ooh.
but the Lego person has two hands.
Yeah, I know. It's 50 cents extra. Well, that's what it was the other time anyway, for that one extra thing that we got the other time. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I want to try and make it just send
All those heads.
Mom, there's a game shot.
So we picked out a pink board. Mimi almost has her person put together. We're also going to get another little bucket
Disney pants
of randoms of the bulk. It's fun picking out all the little pieces. And then we found that this time they do have a Minnie Mouse, but she's 15 bucks, so I probably won't get her, but we are going to look at some princesses. Ooh, look at that guy. That clown guy. He is fantastic and creepy, and I think I love him. Lulu, come see this clown. He's perfectly creepy. Look at this. He even has balloon animals. All right, coolest thing ever. They have mortar boards, graduation hats. Look at this. So now mommy has to make one. Has to. Absolutely. We have no choice. This must happen. So we've got a head. She wears glasses, just like me. We've got a hat. Now we need an appropriate body. Reagan and Mimi are being crazy and brave.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Utah 265 West East 1300 South, signs for I-15.
And we've got Google telling us where we're going, but they're gonna try that Mountain Dew, those sodas that we found in the bins last weekend. They're like a couple of years expired, so it'll be interesting to see if they're good or not, but these kids are brave.
Turn right on.
The kids have no idea what I'm taking them to see. I've never been here myself. I've only seen a picture of it online. But I think it's gonna be pretty cool, and I think you guys are gonna like it too. I do. Okay. Check this.
What?
The
In
biggest
400 feet, turn left toward Business Park Drive.
biggest blender you've ever seen in your life. That's so cool. It's just the entrance to their building, this Blend Tech. You guys, some of you might have heard of it. Anyway, biggest blender in the world. Pretty cool, huh? It even has a thingy in there. I don't know what that is, but there's a thing in there. Something. I don't know if it's like a lighting fixture, but we can pretend that that's like the blender piece. Reagan is trying the Mountain Dew and says it's good still. Awesome. Coolness. How cool is that, you guys? There's cool stuff everywhere, all around us. We just never stop and see it. But today, we are. And there's the kids in front of the biggest blender in the world. Oh, and they say that's the power button right there. What cool things are in your neck of the woods, you guys? Tell me in the comments. Cool random stuff in your neighborhood. And have you gone to see it? And now, also in Orem, Utah, is Stonehenge. Okay, a smaller version of it, a much newer version of it, but we don't have to go all the way to the United Kingdom. No, no, no. I drive by this all the time, but have never stopped to appreciate it. Now I've got the kids with me. Ooh, and look at that car. Ooh la la. And we're gonna go take a gander.
Can I sit on that rock?
Nope, we can't sit on it. The sign already said not to climb on. How cool is this, you guys? I'm telling you, awesome stuff all around you. Do you ever stop to appreciate it? There's Mimi.
Wow, they can't even break.
Nope, and we don't try to break them either. They're not ours. But how lucky are we that we get to come and enjoy them? How cool is this, you guys? Right here in Utah. Mimi's having fun. Huh, Mimi? With her dumpster Mountain Dew. There come the kids.
Hey, Mom, this guy, he can be like a monster in Minecraft.
Yeah.
Because he's serpentine.
Ooh. Lulu. Gotcha. Okay, all of you, where shall we take a picture of all of you?
Right here. But remember,
Can't be in shadow and we can't sit on them. Okay, ready? Mimi, put the soda down. Okay, look at mommy. Happy faces. Woo woo. Oh, that's so cool. Thanks for coming to Stonehenge with us, Frugal friends. What do you think, Lulu? Is it cool or what? Yeah, pretty awesome, huh? Nope.
Remind me of giant adventures.
Yeah.
Then we could sleep up there.
That would be funny. We will be visiting a lot more fun roadside type attractions, things like this, curiosities, in the near future. So stay tuned, folks.
Wait, Olivia, I just need.
Our collection is really growing.
I just need a little. Look, Mommy, I gave her a micro hat.
Okay, tell everybody bye-bye and thanks for joining us today. Bye, 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 bye.